Kargil. Facts about the Indo-Pak conflict which resulted in a moment of pride for Indians. Kargil War took place in the Kargil district of Jammu and Kashmir, along the line of control, LOC. Pakistan's army sent its soldiers in the name of intruders in the winters to take over the area. Their main objective was to cut the connections between Ladakh and Kashmir and to create tensions at the Indian border. Let us tell you that the intruders at that time were on the top whereas the Indians were on the downhill, and so it was easy for them to attack. Finally, the war broke out between the two sides. Pakistani soldiers crossed the line of control, that is LOC, and entered the India-controlled area. On 3rd of May 1999, Pakistan started this war, when it had infiltrated into the high altitudes in the rocky mountainous region of Kargil with around 5,000 soldiers and captured it. When Indian government got the information about it, Operation Vijay was launched by the Indian Army to throw back the intruders who had treacherously occupied Indian territory. Do you know the scenario before the Kargil War? In 1998 to 1999, during the winters, the Pakistani army secretly started training and sending troops near Kargil to dominate the region with the goal of claiming Siachen Glacier. Further, Pakistan Army exclaimed that they were not the Pakistani soldiers but the Mujahideen. Actually, Pakistan wanted international attention on the dispute so that pressure could be generated on the Indian Army to withdraw its army from the Siachen Glacier region and force India to negotiate for the Kashmir dispute. The story behind the war. After the Indo-Pak War of 1971, there have been many military conflicts. Both the countries have conducted nuclear tests in 1998 which had further escalated tensions. To calm the situation, in February 1999, the two countries signed the Lahore Declaration, promising to provide a peaceful and a bilateral solution to the Kashmir conflict. But what happened that Pakistani armed forces started sending its soldiers and paramilitary forces across the line of control into the territory on the Indian side, and the infiltration was codenamed Operation Badr. Do you know that its main objective was to break the link between Kashmir and Ladakh and to withdraw the Indian army from the Siachen Glacier? At the same time, Pakistan believed that creating any kind of tension in this area would help in making the Kashmir issue an international issue, helping it to secure a speedy resolution. Kargil War had been the one where a war was fought between two nuclear states. The IAF for ground attack used planes MiG-2As, MiG-23s, MiG-27s, Jaguars, and the Mirage 2000, mainly for air interception with a secondary role of ground attack. MiG-21 was built to attack the targets on the ground. MiG-23s and 27s were optimized. Several targets of Pakistan were attacked. Therefore, IAF's MiG-21s and Mirage 2000 were extensively used in the Operation Safed Sagar during this war. A large number of rockets and bombs were used in this war. About 250,000 shells, bombs, and rockets were fired. Approximately 5,000 artillery shells, mortar bombs, and rockets were fired daily from 300 guns, mortars, and MBRLs, while 9,000 shells were fired the day Tiger Hill was regained. It is said that this was the only war after World War II in which such a large number of bombardments were carried out on the enemy army. Finally, India won a determined victory. The Kargil War was declared over on July 26, 1999, after Indian soldiers pushed back the Pakistani troops, a bulk of them drawn from the neighboring country's Northern Light Infantry, from the captured peaks. The day is observed as Kargil Vijay Divas to commemorate India's victory. Kargil War, a historical event in the history of India, was initiated by the then Pakistan Army Chief General Pervez Musharraf without informing the then Prime Minister of India, Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Pakistani troops and terrorists trespassed the Indian boundary, positioning themselves at the key locations so that they could have the advantage of firing better. Facts on Kargil War 1. The Kargil War was started in May in the year 1999 to remove Pakistani soldiers from the Indian Line of Control, LOC. 2. This day is also known as Kargil Vijay Divas. 3. Indian Air Force's MiG-21s and Mirage 2000 were widely used in the war. 4. Two Bollywood movies, Lok, Kargil in 2003 and Lakshya in 2004 were made post-Kargil. What exactly went around in the war? Kargil war lasted for more than 2 months. The conflict is also referred to as Operation Vijay. It all started when some local shepherds noticed some major activities in the foothills of the Kargil area on May 3, 1999. The Indian Army was informed right away. The Indian Army lost more than 450 officers and soldiers in the war. More than 13,000 got critically injured. It is believed that Pakistan used 5,000 of its troops to penetrate into various summits in the Kargil sector. Around 696 Pakistan soldiers lost their lives in the war. Pakistan had requested the United Nations to intervene in the issue of Kashmir but failed due to Indian resistance. In the final assault at Tiger Hill, 5,140, 5 Indian soldiers and 10 Pakistani soldiers lost their lives. Captain Vikram Batra was one of them. During the war, the Indian Army provided proper coffins for the dead Pakistan soldiers, but on the other hand, the body of Indian martyr Captain Saurabh Kalia was badly mutilated by the Pakistani security forces. It would not be wrong to say that the war is never good. This causes a major loss on both sides. Thousands of soldiers get martyred. India is a peace-loving country that does not believe in war. Indian Army always safeguards the nation from alien forces, sacrifice for the motherland, and make us proud. Quartered in snow, silent to remain. When the bugle calls, they shall rise and march again. The scroll of honor at the Siachen base camp. Please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. If you like this video, hit a like for this video.